guys, I don't know what's happening. Is my fever like getting to my head? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day. Today we're going to be unboxing another box. Why did I say it like that? Today we're going to be unboxing yet another box. That's why it still says unboxing on the board. That, and I literally don't think I can ever get this off my chalkboard. I'm gonna have to sand it off and repaint it. But because it's very fitting for my channel, I've just left it there out of laziness and convenience. Anywho, if you have seen my last video, I'm filming this video right after that video, so I am still sick, still not feeling the best, but I'm still unboxing things. And today's box that we're going to be unboxing together is the Macy's Beauty Box for this month. Now, I'm not exactly like a huge fan of the Macy's Beauty Box. Ever since it's come out, I've been kind of like on the fence about it, but I still have hope that it will be fantastic one day. And who knows, today might be that day, so let's go ahead and slice on into it and see what we have. Macy's Beauty Box, by the way, is a $15 a month subscription, and I think you get 5 sample size items inside your box, plus it comes with a fancy little coupon here for $5 off your online beauty Macy's purchase. So that's kind of like a little incentive to be paying $5 more than either Sephora Play or Ipsy. So this month's bag is a bit different than what we're used to seeing in Macy's. Typically it comes with like a little zipper bag that's kind of like, you know, like actually substantial feeling, and you could actually use it for like a makeup bag. This one's kind of like a canvasy drawstring bag. I don't dislike it. I think it's cute. I like the natural kind of look to it. It says be your own beautiful, which is a cute little saying. I just kind of think for the higher price point, you might want to send a bag that's a little bit more substantial than what you get in Sephora Play for $5 less. Alrighty, inside the bag we have one little thing outside of our pink little roll. Oh cute. So the first thing in here is a skin purifying sheet mask in I'm green tea, so I'm guessing it is a green tea mask. And this is from a Tony Moly. I haven't tried many things from Tony Moly, but I've heard some real good stuff, so definitely excited to give this a go. Alrighty, and then we just have all the rest of our items wrapped up in our little pink paper here, so I'm gonna go ahead and unroll all of these, hopefully without dropping them all. At first glance, I'm seeing a very standard looking Macy's box. A lot of little squeezy bottles and some like face stuff. But let me go ahead and pull this out because it looks a little bit different. I'm sure that quadruple chin action there looked really nice. So this is from Bare Minerals. This is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and I don't believe I've ever tried this before. So within here, it looks like we have 4 little pods of foundation, I suppose. And it comes with the shades Vanilla 02, Natural 05, Tan 07, and then Chestnut 09. So I definitely have not tried this out before, and I am going to hold on to it because eventually one day I would like to do a full face of makeup only using like foil packet samples, so this might be helpful to go towards that. There's an interesting product in here. I'm gonna keep it for last though. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Coola, and I feel like I've received this many times, either from Birchbox or Macy's. And this is a Coola Mineral BB Cream, and it's supposed to be like a little bit tinted, I believe, and it looks like there's pretty much nothing in here. It's very, empty. It's very not full of product. It's nice having these glaringly bright lights because I can see straight through the plastic, and there's probably about yay much in this bottle here. We have some like scattered remnants up here at the top, but pretty much it's full up to here. It does have a little safety seal. Go ahead and rip that off. And I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see, but it's right there on the back of my hand. It's just very lightly tinted. It does feel super duper like matte and slippy feeling. It's kind of like the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, very like silicone almost. Alrighty, next up in here we have 2 more little squishy bottles, and this one's just a touch bigger. We'll go ahead and talk about this. I feel like I received this in one of my very first like Birch boxes a long time ago. This is the Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. This is from Corez, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is literally one of my first like sample products I received from one of these boxes. And to be honest, I don't know if I ever used it. I'm completely blanking on if I ever actually used this, but now that I have it again, I can give it a try. This is supposed to be a weightless souffle. This souffle is supposed to melt instantly into the skin for intense hydration and brightening. And it is supposed to have wild rose oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So at least the bottle of this seems to be like a pretty decent size here. Again, not feeling like there's actually too much in here, but at least it appears to be a bit more than the Coola product. Alrighty, next up we have this itty bitty little little guy. This is Origins Ginseng. Again, this is something I feel like I've received multiple times. This is a refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff. It is very little, but at least it is an eye cream, so you're just using it around your eye area. You don't have to like slather it on your whole like face and neck. And at least this little guy seems to be pretty full of product as well. I'm just kind of used to getting this in subscription boxes. I feel like I've had this at least 4 times. And alrighty guys, that brings us to the very last product here, which is a rose and vanilla natural deodorant. And I don't really know about this product. I definitely like that it's natural. I think that's pretty cool. It's supposed to smell like roses and vanilla, which it definitely has the rose scent to it. And it is supposed to be vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, all that good stuff. So it is kind of nice. It's just a little bit different to get a deodorant in a box. I guess that is kind of good though, because like I've said, I've received a lot of these things multiple times, so it is nice to kind of like mix it up a bit. So I mean, I'll definitely give it a try. Why not? See how it works out. I'm not 100% a fan of the actual scent. If you really like roses, then you might like this, but for me rose is a bit of a strong scent, so I don't really know how I'm gonna feel about this. But let me know what you guys think. What do you think about getting deodorant in like a subscription box like this? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. That is everything that I got in this month's Macy's beauty box. What do you guys think about it? I'm personally not blown away. Some of the stuff I feel like I have received just so many times. I know for people who don't get like a blue million subscription boxes, they probably don't have those same problems, but as somebody who samples a lot of boxes, I can tell you that several of these things occur quite often across the board. I am a fan of the Tony Moly mask. I think that is pretty cool. The deodorant, it's different. It's different. So I'll give it that at least. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. I do think this is a cute little bag, but I wish it was something a bit more substantial for the $15 price tag. I'll go ahead and tell you guys the full size value of these items in case you're interested in buying like the full thing of it. So the first thing we have here is the Carez. Oh, it says it's new. Is that one of those like Shane Dawson Mandela effect type things? I could have sworn, unless they have something else that is a wild rose thing, that I've received this before or something incredibly similar to it. If not, I retract everything I said before and I guess I was just dreaming it. Carez Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. But anyway, the full size of it, which is 1.35 ounces, is $48, so a little bit pricey. Then we have the Origins Refreshing Eye Cream, which 0.5 ounces of it is $31, so again, a bit pricey, but it is an eye cream, so you just use a little bit of it. You guys, I don't know what's happening. Is my fever like getting to my head? I don't know what's going on. Apparently this Coola product is new as well, but I could have sworn that I have received this before. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, this Coola new Mineral Face SPF Unscented Matte Tint, 1.7 ounces of it is $36. I think I'm just losing it, you guys. Then we have the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Deodorant Stick, which the full size of it is $9, so a little bit pricey for deodorant, but if you like the natural, vegan, cruelty-free side of it, that's pretty cool. Then we have the Tony Moly I'm Real Sheet Mask, which is $3. Then the final thing we have is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Gel Cream, which 1.18 ounces of it is $30. So now I'm a bit conflicted because I feel like I need to retract everything I said about like receiving these things before. Maybe in my mind I'm just so like used to these tiny little squeezy tubes now that they're all just blending together or something. I don't know, but according to the pamphlet, both of these things are new along with the deodorant. The only things that aren't new, I guess, are the Origins eye cream and the mask and the gel thing. I don't know. I'm very sorry, you guys, because this entire video I was like, I've gotten these like 50 times, but apparently, no, I haven't. So, very sorry about that. But overall, I still don't know how like blown away I am with the box. It's not a bad box. It's just not my favorite that we've ever received from Macy's, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know down below in the comments. Did you like the box? Would you prefer something else? I love reading all of your all's thoughts and opinions. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, just I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!